Okay, so this is where you will source products, okay, from several different places, okay? You can import products from AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and our hot products database, okay? So let's start with AliExpress quickly. So we have integrated the entire AliExpress platform right here inside Dropshipping, so you can import products, hundreds of products to your store within seconds, okay? It's very easy to use. We have three different ways you can do that. First, you can do it with the Dropshipping Chrome extension, okay, which is the easier, faster way, okay? I have already set it up here, okay? You can also import by entering the AliExpress SKU code or by URL, okay? If you have the specific SKU or URL of a product, okay, AliExpress product, you can just type them here, okay, and hit search, okay? But like I said, we have a faster, easier way, which is with the Dropshipping Chrome extension. Okay, all you have to do is download it. Once installed, head over to AliExpress right here. Okay, and by the way, guys, if you don't know how to install the Chrome extension, make sure you watch the tutorial. Okay. So once there, just type any niche keyword you want. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna do cat father, okay, which is a pretty good niche. Okay, and then hit search. And then, as you can see, hundreds and hundreds of products will show up right here, okay? So literally hundreds of amazing products that you can sell, okay? And there are some pretty good ones here, okay? So to import products to your store, say I want to add this product, okay? Let's do this one right here, okay? Which is pretty good. Okay, so I click on it. All you have to do is click on this button right here, okay? Import to Dropshipping. Okay, you will see this button on AliExpress once you install the Chrome extension right here at the top, okay? So as you can see, it's already installed, so I don't have any issue. So you just click this button, okay, and then the product is going to be instantly automatically added to Dropshipping first, okay, because it's always best to edit all your listings before publishing your products to your store, okay, before you want to sell your products. Okay, so it's taking some time. Or if you want, I mean, you can just automatically add them to your store. It's up to you, okay? And by the way, guys, we are still doing some work, okay, on this. So don't worry if it's gonna take like too much. Like I think it's added to the store, okay? We're gonna check later. So now, how do you see that your product has been imported? Okay, it's simple. You just go on Dropshipping and check on your import list. Okay, I will actually show you that later. But for now, actually, it's right here. Okay, so you go products, all products, and then import list. Okay, right here. So now the other ways that you can do it, as I told you, it's by with the SKU, okay, right here, or the URL, okay. To find the SKU of a specific AliExpress product, you just go here to your product. You see at the top right here, all you have to do is check the URL, okay. So this one right here is the product SKU, okay. So you just copy and paste the SKU, okay, the product. So in this case, it's gonna be actually the product SKU, this one right here. Then you go to AliExpress, search, and boom, here's the product, okay? You will just click to add to import list. As I told you guys, this is the first step you want to do, and then publish to the store, okay? Then let's do it by URL. Once again, it's very easy. You just go here to the product and you copy paste the entire URL, okay, which is this one right here. Okay, so you copy and then just go here, okay, and then paste it, okay, hit search, and then you see the product right here, okay, boom, it's this one, okay, and then you find you just add them to your import list, okay, in Dropshipping. Like I said, same thing with the URL, okay, you just then you add them like, okay, you just click this button right here, okay? If you want to publish directly to the store, you just click this one right here, okay? You can also import multiple product URLs, okay? Right here, we have also this option. You can, instead of doing manually and adding one product at a time, you just grab all the AliExpress URLs and place them here, okay? Then hit search, and then you'll be able to add them automatically to your store, okay? You can also import in bulk. If you have a you can just upload your CSV file, okay, with all the products, and they'll be automatically imported into your store, okay? We also have a sample Excel file, okay, that you can download. You can insert all your links right there, okay? If you need the file, just ask us, okay? And by the way, all the products, like I told you guys, will be imported, it will be into your import list, okay, right here in products, okay, all products right here, okay, import list. You just click here and you will see all your products displayed, okay. Now, before showing you that, I want to show you two other ways that you can import products to your store, okay. As I told you previously, you have CJ Dropshipping and then also the hot products database, okay. So I'll talk to you in the next video.